Hello guys and girls, and welcome back. In previous videos, we showed you the kale we grew in our indoor garden. Now we will be making kale chips with those same plants. First, let's go down to the basement and grab some kale. If you don't have your own kale plants, we invite you to check out our previous and future videos to learn how to create your own indoor garden just like this one. Now let's remove some leaves and give them a quick wash. Go ahead and set your oven to 300 degrees. Today, we will be seasoning with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Let's first dispense some olive oil into a small bowl and apply it to the leaves using a brush. I've seen many other recipes and videos suggest to use your bare hands for this. However, we determined the brush is a much better option. Once the leaves are oiled, we're now able to season. We prefer to lay out the leaves first, which will make applying seasoning a little easier. Apply the salt, pepper, and garlic powder to taste. Place in the oven and cook for 8 minutes. Now turn over all the leaves and cook again for at least another 8 minutes. After the second 8 minutes, you should have something like this. Check the chips for firmness by grabbing the stem with your tongs. If they are saggy and soft, place back in the oven for another couple minutes. You'll know they are done when all the parts of the leaf are crisp. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy your kale chips. Please like and subscribe for future content.